Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Mikhail and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share your screen on Discord. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. On your desktop, open Discord, or you can also go through any web browser that you're comfortable with, and then on the search URL, search for discord.com. And after that, when you see this interface on the upper right corner, click on open Discord and then make sure that you're logged into your Discord account. Now, in order to share your screen, you have to join the chat. For that, go to your general and then on the voice channel, choose for the channel, and then at the left side of your screen you will see your voice connected, and there you will see multiple options such as turn on camera, share screen, start an activity, or open soundboard. Now to share your screen, click on share your screen and a dialog box will pop up where you can select what content that you want to share. If you want to share your home tab, select the tab, or if you want to share your window, click on window and select the window, or if you want to share the entire screen, click on entire screen, select the screen. But before that, if you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Now back to our video. After you select your entire screen or the part of content that you want to share on your screen, then click on share and then you will go live with your screen. This is how you can simply share your screen on Discord. I hope this video helped you and thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.